Mimi, oh, my customer give it to you. She said, I will give you this mixed chocolate. There is a Kit Kat, Toblerone, and this is M&M, Snickers. See? And this one. It's also chocolate inside. Binigay ni ni Madam. See? Okay naman sila. Ano na? See? You want this? I will send to you, okay? Mommy will send to you all of this for you.